Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to empowering libraries with effective marketing strategies for financial success. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of revenue generation for libraries, uncovering innovative ways to attract funding, sponsors, and create a sustainable financial model that will propel your library's growth and impact. In this exploration, we'll delve into the compelling reasons why libraries must diversify their financial resources to secure sustainability and enhance their impact on the community. Libraries play a vital role in society, providing valuable services, resources, and knowledge to their patrons. However, traditional funding sources may not always be sufficient to meet the evolving needs of the community and the ever-changing landscape of information access. By exploring innovative funding strategies and fostering collaborations, libraries can unlock a world of possibilities, expanding their services, fostering creativity, and ultimately becoming thriving hubs of knowledge and community engagement. Building strong corporate partnerships is one of the key strategies for libraries to diversify their revenue streams. Reach out to local businesses and organizations, showcasing the library's role as a community hub and valuable resource. Collaborate on initiatives, events, or sponsorship packages that provide mutual benefits, fostering a win-win relationship. Grants can be a significant source of funding for libraries. To secure grants successfully, craft compelling proposals that emphasize the library's impact on the community. Align your projects with the grantor's goals, making a strong case for the value your library brings to the table. Sponsorships offer a fantastic opportunity to involve businesses in supporting library projects. Create attractive sponsorship packages, highlighting the benefits sponsors receive, such as brand exposure and community recognition. Offer various sponsorship levels to cater to different business sizes and interests, maximizing participation. In today's digital age, effective digital marketing is essential. Utilize social media, email marketing, and online fundraising platforms to reach a wider audience. Craft engaging content that communicates the library's mission and impact, inspiring potential donors and sponsors to take action and be part of your library's success story. Showcasing the library's impact through powerful success stories is a compelling way to win hearts and attract support. Collect testimonials from patrons who have benefited from library services and use them in your marketing efforts to evoke an emotional connection with potential donors. People are more likely to support a cause that they feel connected to and see the positive impact it has on others. Fundraising events are fantastic opportunities to engage the community and secure support. Organize exciting events that align with your library's mission, such as book fairs, author talks, or themed galas. These events create memorable experiences while raising funds for your library, and they also foster a stronger sense of community involvement. Engaging the community is key to long-term financial success. Encourage volunteerism, involve residents in library activities, and foster a sense of ownership and pride in the library. A strong community connection can lead to sustained support and advocacy, turning library users into library advocates. Measuring the impact of your marketing efforts is crucial. Track key performance indicators such as donation growth, sponsor engagement, and event attendance. Use this data to refine your strategies and make data-driven decisions for even greater success. Monitoring your progress will allow you to identify what works best for your library and continuously improve your marketing efforts. By embracing these innovative strategies, libraries can create a solid financial foundation, attracting funding, sponsors, and ultimately generating more revenue. By sharing the stories of your library's impact, connecting with the community, and leveraging digital marketing, you can create a sustainable way to operate your library, ensuring that it continues to be a thriving hub of knowledge and community engagement. Remember, it's not just about seeking funding and sponsors, but also about creating meaningful connections and partnerships that will contribute to the growth and success of your library. So let's dive into these strategies together, and I'm confident that your library will thrive and make a lasting impact in the community it serves. Beyond the strategies we've discussed, there are even more creative ways libraries can explore to boost their financial resources and ensure their long-term sustainability. Let's start with the idea of co-working spaces. Transforming parts of the library into vibrant co-working areas can attract freelancers, entrepreneurs, and remote workers seeking a productive and inspiring environment. Renting out these spaces can provide a steady source of income and foster a collaborative community within the library walls. Another exciting option is setting up a library cafe or coffee shop. Not only does it create a cozy ambience for readers, but it also offers a potential revenue stream from refreshment sales. A perfect place to unwind with a good book and a cup of coffee. Leveraging the library's treasure trove of rare and historical documents, photographs, or videos, libraries can monetize access to their special collections. Researchers, historians, and enthusiasts alike would be drawn to these digital archives, opening up new funding avenues. Online courses and webinars are yet another remarkable possibility. Creating engaging online courses or hosting webinars on various subjects allows the library to tap into the e-learning market while generating income from enrollment fees. By collaborating with other community organizations, libraries can host joint fundraising events that expand their reach and impact. These events not only raise funds, but also strengthen the library's position as a central hub for community engagement. Introducing membership programs can incentivize library patrons to contribute. Offering exclusive perks like extended borrowing privileges or early access to new releases can entice members to support the library. And last but not least, crowdfunding campaigns provide an excellent opportunity for libraries to engage the community and rally support for specific projects or initiatives. Together, we can make big dreams a reality. So, as we embark on this journey of innovative revenue generation, remember that by diversifying funding streams and exploring these creative approaches, libraries can build a strong financial foundation. These strategies will not only attract funding and sponsors, but also ensure the library remains a thriving hub of knowledge and community engagement for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insightful content on empowering libraries with effective marketing strategies for financial success. Until next time, keep inspiring and engaging your community through the power of libraries. See you soon!